Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable the webcam in Windows 10. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just go ahead and left click on the start button one time. Type in Device Manager. Best match to go back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. Now, underneath Device Manager, you want to look for an area that says Cameras. So if you have a camera hooked up to your computer, which I don't, because this is a virtual environment, it should be underneath Computer or somewhere along here. It should be something that says Cameras. You want to expand it. You want to just go ahead and right click on it and select Disable Device. Again, you want to do that for something that says Cameras. I'm just showing you guys an example for the Universal Serial Bus. You want to do it for something that says Cameras. So again, Cameras, you expand, there should be one camera under there, and then just select Disable Device. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.